Alright, so we got this beautiful French rack of lamb. Got a little bit of pepper on there, a little bit of salt. This thing's been sitting out for about 30 minutes. And get this nice and room temperature before you stick it on. So we'll let it rest for a little bit. Part of our prep, we want to get a Dijon mustard. This is a coarse grain. This is from France, whatever. Get your Dijon. This is panko breadcrumbs. I got a little bit of thyme and rosemary, olive oil, Parmesan cheese. That's going to be our crust that's going to go on this once we sear it. We'll get a little bit of the Dijon mustard, then the crust, and then into the oven. I'm using a cast iron pan because this is going to go into the oven, so we don't want to use a regular pan because it'll melt. So we have this beautiful cast iron pan from Lodge. I think they're the only ones left in the country that make cast iron, Tennessee. As a matter of clarification, Lodge did not sponsor this, neither did Whole Foods, but I would be happy if they did. We're setting our one oven for 425. It's still heating up. This one's at 350. We got a couple baked potatoes in there. Gonna turn this burner on to about medium-high heat. Gonna get this pan nice and hot. I know I'm not using gas. I apologize. This time it's on the electric stove. Pan's nice and hot. A little olive oil. We're not going super hot, so we don't need anything crazy as far as oils go. Fat side down. I'm gonna sear that off for about 3 minutes. Get all of it seared nice and beautifully. And we'll take it and put the mustard. Making sure we're getting a good sear on all sides before we go into the oven. Alright, now we've got it seared off. Mustard. All over this bad boy. Breadcrumb mixture. Panko breadcrumbs. Got some crushed garlic in there. Herbs. Thyme. Rosemary. Parmesan cheese. Ooh, it's hot. Flip it. Whoop. Olive oil. Get it nice and moist. It'll sit on there nicely. And we're going in that same skillet straight into the oven. Alright, now into the oven. Now we're looking for that. We want to get it to about 130 for medium rare. So we're going to go to 125. We're going to temp it at 125 and pull it so it can rest. We're going to tent it with a little bit of aluminum foil. 15-20 minutes, so we'll check it in 15. Alright, we're about that 15-minute mark, so let's take a look. Get it out here so we can assess the situation. Oh, it looks beautiful. Let's see what it temps at. Let's see if we gotta go back in for a little bit longer here. Yeah, we're not quite there yet. So we'll give it a... I don't want to give it to... Oh, whoa. Alright. Maybe that one spot wasn't there yet, but the rest of it is. Yeah, I think we're right on. Let's go down here in the miggy fat. Yeah, that's okay. All right. I think we're good.